Hi everyone, welcome to Papa Franz Cooks. Hi Kate. Today we're going to cook whatever's available in my fridge and on the cupboard. We're in the middle of a pandemic, so our ingredients are limited. We're going to make sweet and sour fish fillet. Normally you cook this with a whole fish, but I'm not able to go to the market and find a whole fish to fry and make the sweet and sour sauce. So today we're just going to use what's available in the market or what's available in the kitchen. So we're going to make sweet and sour fish fillet.
Hi, so now we got the tilapia fillet, so we're going to season it with fish sauce and with fresh pepper. If you don't have fish sauce or you don't like the smell of fish sauce, you just could use salt and pepper to season your fish. This is tilapia that I've sliced into around 2-inch lengths. So they're sort of like, I'll call them cubed. Mix them well together and just to get all of the fish well seasoned prior to putting as a batter. We're making a batter made out of cornstarch and flour. Make the batter not to be too thick or too watery, but maybe slightly thick, I'd say, so it sticks onto the fish. So once that's done, you made the batter. You could pour the batter onto the fish. Pour it just all over so that the fish gets all coated up. So it's going to create this crust when you fry it. So just there you go. Be sure that it's all mixed well together. See to it that the fish gets covered with batter, all of them. Now, while that was happening, I was warming up a pan, and you know that the oil's hot once you put in a toothpick and it sizzles. So now we're going to put in the fish. Just slide it in there. Be careful because the oil's hot. So be careful when you do that, okay? Oops. So that's what I was saying. Don't drop it. Just slide it in. Don't crowd the fish so that you'll get this nice fried fish. There's still going to be 2 sets of fish that I'm going to fry here. So now looking at the fried fish here, it's about to be this is actually cooked already. The fish is cooked. So I'm going to put that pull it out and put it on a plate that has a paper towel to absorb the remaining oil because I don't want the fish to be soggy. So that's really nice and golden. Oh wow, that's really nice. So I got rid of all of the oil, just left a little bit. I'm reheating the pan and spreading out the oil. I'm sauteing some onions just to prepare the sauce. Maybe 30 seconds, and then I'm going to put in my garlic. This is around 6 cloves of garlic that I've sliced. You could mince it. I think mincing will be much nicer. And then we're going to saute now our red bell peppers, which I've cut into small cubes. You could also add in green bell peppers if you have them. So do a quick saute on that one on high heat. You want a quick sear on all of these vegetables here. Next up is to pour in our sauce mixture, which is made out of ketchup, orange juice, cornstarch slurry, vinegar, and some honey and sugar. So just pour it into your vegetables, mix it well, wait for it to thicken. So it will take you a couple of minutes or so. Just move it around and then put in a can of pineapple chunks once the sauce is beginning to thicken, and then just cover that. Let it not simmer, but allow it to reheat and watch for the sauce to thicken. So wow, look at that one. It's really nice and colorful. It smells really good too. And this is pretty much done. All we need to do now is just put in the fish, our fried fish, and that's going to be our sweet and sour fish. So allow the sauce to cover up all of the fish, mix it well. This is pretty much done. So all we have to do is just turn off the stove, see to it that the fish gets covered with sauce. So It's really colorful. If you had green bell peppers, it's also going to add some color in it. Now we're going to get this plated. And also, if you have some sesame seed, you could dress it up just to make it look much more prettier. So here we have it, our sweet and sour fish fillet, quick and easy to make. And I hope you enjoy. Have fun making it and enjoy.